This is the beautiful colour tones of Acer Palmatum Katsura. It's a very popular Japanese maple in the UK. These leaves are still forming. It'll take another week or two before they're fully formed. It's this 14th of March today in the northeast of the UK. It's one of the earliest acers in the garden to leaf out. The leaves can be quite small, as you can see here. The buds can be more red until they open up, and you'll see more of this burnt orange tone with little bits of yellow or sometimes green. Now this tree will hold this sort of colour until early summer, when the leaves will turn a darkish green. Then come the autumn you'll see sometimes reds or sometimes rainbow colours to each leaf. Our tree in the past few years took on more of a golden tone overall, and sometimes these colours will fade to this golden tone as the summer progresses. It's quite a hardy tree as well, quite a good grower. I can try and show you the buds just opening up there. As you can see, they look a little bit more redder. So we'll just end there, and I'll do some more updates on this one in the week or two as the tree continues to leaf out. We might see a little bit more darkening in this colour. So that's Acer Palmatum Katsura.